This time I welcome you to the Venice of Africa, Makoko in Nigeria. I embarked on a photographic journey in this amazing place to explore this labyrinth of narrow waterways where wooden boats moved silently. With my camera, I've captured the spirit of this place, the soul of its people, and the connection they share with their surroundings. This vibrant place is a fishing community of an estimated number of 400,000 people and is renowned as the world's largest floating slum. I visited this amazing place many times in the past years, and in my lens I found stories, I found resilience and a way of life that attracted me so much. A place where every corner tells a unique story, where the rhythm of life beats in harmony with the water that surrounds it. I had the privilege of getting in close contact with the incredible people of Makoko, learning about their daily lives and their dreams, but also about their challenges and their struggles. Stories that need to be heard.
Yeah, Makoko waterfront is a community where people live all their lives on water and every activities take place on water. Our forefathers are not educated. I happen to be a person who wants the going forward of all these kids. I want them to go to school, I want them to live a better life because I want to give to my community the good things that they deserve. They are left less privileged, their parents don't have the money to send them to school, their parents doesn't have a good house to stay, and these things are some things that I look up to, that if I have the money to help this community, so I would have I would do a lot.
The school name is Part of Solution Nursery and Primary School. We have 465 students in the school. We spend 6 hours daily, which we start from 8 and we end in 2. And their age are from 3 years old to 13 years. And their class are from nursery 1 to primary 3.
We start with 50 kids and we start giving them education, teaching them in school. So before we know, we have 341 kids.
People here fight daily with a number of challenges like poverty, absence of potable water and electricity, no hospitals and no education.
Chaque jour, il y a plusieurs patients qui entrent dedans, des femmes enceintes, des malades, 3 points de suspension. Nous avons besoin des aides, les oxygènes, les lits, les appareils. Nous travaillons ensemble. Nous sommes 3 dedans. On a besoin des choses pour réformer notre clinique. Merci pour tout ce que vous êtes en train de nous faire. Mais il ne faut pas nous oublier.
Makoko is nestled in a center of Lagos that is the largest and most rapidly expanding economic city in Africa, and the stilt houses of Makoko lie on top of the waters, which paradoxically is also the sewage system for the 20 million inhabitants of this big metropolis.
And another thing people keep asking me that Sunday, what else do you want us to do? I need to be an orphanage home in a community where the less privileged children will stay and where the orphans will stay. So, and that's just the building, just the building I'm having over there. And then I know with this building, I can accommodate 50 to 60 kids in this home. I'm going to keep writing to people to help us with food materials and their wares, and so the medical stores and all that.
In addition, the community faces complex concerns regarding ownership of the land, which is not recognized by the government.
Nya komuro tulo me wegwetine ya nyosi wa mai toro za ruone ya me mo ya no woji ndu wegbene ya ndekwu mo be wegbero toro globi otono owe mme bi wo owe ya ile nsa do 2012 gan lo eyi commissioner oni ru eyi denwe ami ndo na mi 24 hours na mi do bi agba mi ne do toro eyi ye wa mo je ho mi ne ho jale wo ye de me de toro ye de bi lo ni bi agba na pon lo yi ye golo ami vo ye lo jira do ami na mi no yi o ma o yan ide wa yi.
And last but not least, the impact of climate change, the effects of global warming, rising sea levels and extreme weather events are increasingly felt in this community.